Hi, I'm Mike, and I'm the CEO of two companies. The first company is my personal brand, where I train and consult on personal development and productivity. We recently hit 1 million subscribers on my YouTube channel, Mike D. And that's why I co-founded a second company called Playstack. So Playstack is a video content accelerator where we create videos for businesses specifically optimized for each platform's algorithm. The presentation is based on the Pareto principle, where 20% of input creates 80% of the results. So I only focus on the 7 strategies that will have the biggest effect on your channel's growth. And with channel growth comes views, comes subscribers, and ultimately more eyeballs on your products and services. Join me and the other business owners and SEO professionals, consultants and entrepreneurs at the summit at New World Hotel Saigon, Vietnam from the 1st of March to the 3rd of March. And if you do manage to grab yourself a ticket, I'll see you in March.